In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file using Google Meet. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, presenting to a client, or simply sharing important documents with your team, Google Meet makes it easy and efficient to stay connected and keep everyone on the same page. Let's dive in step by step so you can confidently share files during your next virtual meeting. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by simply typing Google Meet into your search bar or going directly to the website if you have it bookmarked. To get started, make sure you're signed into your Google account, as this will ensure that you have the right permissions and access throughout this process. Once Google Meet is open and you're inside the meeting interface, your next step is to locate the chat feature. This is a crucial element in our file sharing journey today. You'll find it in the bottom right section of your screen. Look for an icon that resembles a speech bubble or a chat box. Clicking on this will open up a side panel where you can communicate with everyone who is currently in the meeting. Now that you have the chat panel open, it's time to share your file's link. Before proceeding, make sure you have the file link ready to go. Whether it's a Google Doc, a PDF, or another type of document, you should have already uploaded this file to a cloud service like Google Drive. This makes the process of sharing it with others seamless and instant. Simply navigate to your document on Google Drive, right-click to get the Share option, and copy the link provided. Always double-check your link sharing settings to ensure that everyone in the meeting can access the file without issues. With your link in hand, return to Google Meet. In the chat panel that you previously opened, you'll see a text input bar where you can type messages to your peers. Click into this text bar, paste the link you copied from your document, and hit send. This action will transmit the link to everyone who's joined the meeting, making it accessible for them to click on and view immediately. Just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you've effectively shared an important file link with your meeting participants, ensuring they have what they need to be informed and engaged. With this new skill in your toolkit, you can elevate the effectiveness of your virtual meetings and create a more collaborative environment. So there you have it. The process of sharing a file in Google Meet is not only straightforward, but also incredibly powerful for keeping your communications efficient and effective. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in your future meetings. Don't forget to practice these steps and get familiar with them, as they'll become second nature with regular use. Happy sharing, and I'll see you in the next video.